In this video, I'm going to tell you why zero-based budgeting makes sense and why it should be the first step in your journey towards financial freedom. I will also share an example of a zero-based budget so you can begin practicing this budgeting method right away so you can begin your journey to financial freedom. Welcome back to Dollars and Cents Studio, where we empower you to take control of your personal finances and embark on a journey towards financial freedom. Why trust my advice? Because I faced over $100,000 in debt head-on and triumphed over this substantial challenge through discipline, perseverance, patience, and dedicated budgeting. Today, we're diving into a budgeting strategy called zero-based budgeting, but be sure to stay with us until the conclusion of this video as I'll unveil why the zero-based budget by itself won't take you to the financial promised land. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below sharing the topics you'd like me to cover in upcoming videos, helping you master your financial journey. Lastly, don't forget to explore the link in the description where you can schedule a complimentary 15-minute call with me. We could talk about your financial situation and determine if my coaching service aligns with your needs. The zero-based budget has been a game changer for many and is aptly named because it means that all of your money, every dollar, is assigned to a category in your budget. In short, every dollar you earn has a specific purpose. At the end of your budgeting session, your income minus your expenses should equal zero. This doesn't mean you're spending all your money. It means you're allocating every dollar intentionally. Now let's walk through how it works. For example, let's imagine our friend Jen receives her paycheck, and her take-home pay is $3,000. With a zero-based budget, she would start by listing all her expenses. This includes necessities like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, debt repayments, transportation, and so on. Let's say these expenses total $2,000. With $2,000 allocated, Jen would have $1,000 left. This is where the zero-based part comes in. She needs to allocate that remaining $1,000 to various categories. Think savings, entertainment, gifts, subscription services, eating out, etc. The key is to give every dollar a job, so there's no room for unplanned spending. So why does zero-based budgeting make sense? Well, it forces you to be mindful of your spending. You're making conscious decisions about where your money goes and does not go, which can lead to better financial habits. Great, but remember I mentioned I would tell you why zero-based budgeting by itself isn't enough? Let's take our friend Jen. She has $3,000 of net income and $2,000 of expenses, leaving $1,000 to allocate. Of that $1,000, she's saving, let's say, $300 a month. Okay, so what is the problem? She's making her debt repayments each month, saving $300 each month. Sounds like she's on the right track. The problem is she doesn't have a plan for those savings or a specific plan to rid her life of that debt. This is where zero-based budgeting plus the 7 baby steps taught by Dave Ramsey are needed to truly take control of your money, save for emergencies, finally pay off your debt, and create wealth. This is the method I personally used to pay off $100,000 worth of debt. I started by laying out the essentials and trimming them down as low as I could. I left myself very little for wants as I knew I had to make sacrifices. Whatever was left, I applied to the 7 baby steps which I learned from Dave Ramsey. For example, step 1 is to save $1,000 for an emergency fund. When starting out, I took whatever was left over after my essentials were covered and applied it to the first baby step. Today, I am in the latter baby steps of the Dave Ramsey plan, and I still use a zero-based budget and will continue to do so. Why? Because zero-based budgeting gives me a sense of financial control. I know exactly where my money is going, which can reduce stress and help anyone make informed decisions about their financial future. The zero-based budget is a powerful tool for managing your finances. It's all about giving every dollar a purpose, tracking your expenses, and ultimately taking control of your financial life. If you've never tried it before, I highly recommend giving it a shot. Also, if you want to learn more about the baby steps and how they changed my life, check this video out here. Drop a comment below and share your experience with implementing this budget in your life and your thoughts. And remember to tell us which other subjects you'd love to see covered in our upcoming videos. Also, click the link in the description where you can schedule a 15-minute call with me. We could talk about your financial situation and determine if my coaching service aligns with your needs. I would love to help you lay out your zero-based budget and the baby steps to come up with a plan for your money. Thank you for joining me. If you found this video valuable, please be sure to show your support by hitting the like button and share. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more empowering content that guides you on your path to financial prosperity.